Namaste everyone. This is Siddhi Raigandhi from Group 10 and I am here to present research about lockdown, boon or bane. As we all know, this COVID-19 pandemic has affected and created a lot of mess to the whole world in every possible way. Talking about any topic, there are always pros and cons to that topic. So this lockdown topic. But this is a little different. This is based on how people are perceiving it. Like some people take it as advantage, some people take it as disadvantage. So people who are working day and night, they really got to spend time with their family. The pollution of India has drastically dropped down and is good for the nature earth. Now moving to the disadvantages, people who are very introvert, who like to stay alone and they have private life have suffered and they didn't get their enough space, and people who used to eat outside, they also didn't get to eat outside. Now talking about the significance, it's like it explains the advantages and disadvantages in people's life during lockdown. Lockdown period was full of challenges and each of us reacted to it differently. So here are some advantages and disadvantages. For some people, the advantages were to spend quality time with their family members. People started practicing simple hygiene everywhere. Then a lockdown is the best idea. Like till now it is the best idea because the vaccination is also not yet on the point. Lockdown has reduced traffic, road accidents all over the India. Now talking about the disadvantages, it creates a social and mental distance between people. It has increased telecommunication cost. For the low income workers or middle class people, the lockdown has affected them very badly. Economy of the India has gone down severely. Online classes has created a lot of mess and a lot of confusion, mental retardation to the students.
My name is Raval Prabhav and I am going to explain about the literature review and objectives for our research. So basically the literature review is a survey on a specific topic which involves the finding of the relevant publications, for example book or journal. So according to our research, the review topic is lockdown, ban or boon, the advantages and disadvantages of lockdown, and we got the information regarding these on online platforms like Google, Lallantop, Z News, WHO and Times of India. So as of May 8, 2020 in India, the total active cases in India is something about 56,342. So India has been difficulty in controlling the transmission of COVID-19 among its population because India is a vast populated country. It is something about 1.38 billion population, and this outbreak is linked to the economy of the nation, as it is dramatically impacted industrial sectors because people worldwide are currently cautious about engaging business and in affected region. So my second part of the objectives, there are two types of objectives, the general and specific. So according to our research, the general objectives, we mainly focus on our literature review topic, which is lockdown, ban or boon, and our research topic, which is advantages and disadvantages of lockdown in India. So for the specific objectives, now we are going to talk about the children. Yes, lockdown affects the children very much, as they couldn't even step out from their house. So it affects both physically and mentally. They couldn't play with their friends, they couldn't communicate with their friends. So lockdown affect mostly to them with harm of their physical and mentally both. Just lockdown affect the OTT platforms and movie theaters. It affect the movie theaters mostly because the changes seen in the OTT platform as we compare with the movie theaters. So mostly people enjoy a lot by using OTT platform as their means of entertainment. For the theaters during lockdown, they were closed, so lockdown is banned for them and is a boon for OTT platform, and it is also boon for the content creators like YouTube and Facebook.
Hello everyone, I am Nakhabur Rahman from Group 10. So our research method is qualitative research. So why we choose the qualitative research? Because it focuses on the obtaining data through the open-ended and which provide conventional communication, right? So about the subject, every Indian participants whose age ranges from the 18 to 50 may participate in our research method. So about data collection, we will form a Google data survey in which we want to know about the advantages and disadvantages of the lockdown, and it will be open-ended questionnaire. Actually, we want to look about the advantages and disadvantages of the lockdown and dissemination about the same, about well-being, and about the OTT platform. Data processing is guided by the philosophical assumptions, which is to provide multi realities about our research, which is through participant of the research method. Quantitative researchers favored our research as people construct their own personalized world. So next is a hypothetical interpretation of the result. We know that in this pandemic affected badly to everyone, but there is a silver lining too. For example, people going for their personalized growth, their personalized behavior, and everyone knows about the importance of the health and the behavior of the people and the positive attitude. Outcome of the result. So there is some factors which plays an important role in this lockdown, like social media. Social media plays an important role, which provides regular information about our society and about the world. So next is the music. Music plays an also important role, which relaxes the mind of the human being and also help in the cope of the anxiety patient and the patient and persons who wants to control their emotions. Then next is the children. For lockdown, children aren't able to go to school. They doesn't want to meet to their peers. Lockdown badly affected the children. Next is the OTT platform. OTT platform grows well in this lockdown, which badly affected the cinema industry. The conclusion of about our research is this: this lockdown appears boon for someone and the ban for the someone. So we created a Google form about our research.
అన్న